أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and inshallah in this class we will learn the dua of first Ashra. So I will read first, you have to repeat after me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi ighfir, Rabbi ighfir, Rabbi ighfir, warham, warham, wa anta khairur rahimin, khairur rahimin. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it, Rabbi ighfir, and in the second Ra this we read in light sound due to sukoon sign on the Ra, and there is kasra before the Ra, that's why this Ra will be light. Warham, again this Ra we read in heavy sound, ha read from the middle of the throat. After the mim sakin the next is waw, so we make izhar shafawi here. Wa anta, after the noon sakin the next letter is ta, we make ikhfa sound here. Kha we read in heavy sound, there is ya leen, ya is coming with sukoon sign and there is fatha on the before letter, we read softly here. So both Ra's basically we read in heavy sound, because the first Ra coming with Dhamma sign on it and the second Ra is coming with standing fatha on it, so both time we read Ra in heavy sound. So the second Ra we long also due to standing fatha on it, Rahimin. So on the mi there is ya madda, ya is coming with sukoon sign and there is kasra before the ya, so we say Rahimin. And now I repeat the whole. Rabbi ighfir warham wa anta khairur rahimin. So I hope you understand this dua. If you have any kind of question regarding this dua, please leave a message under this video. Inshallah, see you in the next class with the new dua. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.